Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I will talk about Toshi coin once again. If you remember, I've covered this token before it get listed on Binance, and I told you that it will list on Binance, and it is. It is now live on top exchanges across the world, be it Binance, Coinbase, you name it, and you have it. You can see the price of token is already very low since we are in a crypto crash. The price has crashed to 0.0005, and if you go down here, check the listing here, you can see the Coinbase, Gate, xt.com. Of course, it is also listed on Binance US, which you can't see here. But if you go at the website, you will see here, go down here and see Coinbase, Binance.us, Binance Alpha, Bybit, and lot more exchanges. So this is the talk of the town. And I believe if you have to be bullish about one single meme coin in this season, it should be Toshi. Toshi should be on top of your list. I will tell you why I'm so bullish about it and why I believe this is the perfect time to buy this token. If you are not DCAing it or dollar cost averaging this token, you will lose a lot of money on the table. Why? Let me start this video and explain to you through charts and through the technical and fundamental analysis. So with that, let's start the video. Let's talk about Toshi coin. Remember, if you're liking my analysis and liking my videos, do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon, and of course you can join my Telegram group. The link is shared in the description. So Toshi is actually a meme coin which is built on basechain. Yes, it started on basechain, and Toshi was actually a dog based meme coin. If you look at the numbers here, I always look at the numbers before I start. You can see the total supply is 420 billion token. Now 420 billion is actually a big number, but for a meme coin it is still okay. It is good actually. Look at the market cap, just $251 million. Now, $251 million is nothing for a meme coin that is listed on top exchanges. That also means it is highly undervalued. We go down here, we check the high price of this token, all time high is 0.002, which it made back in Jan 26, 2025. So clearly, a lot of potential is there for the token. And given the supply is 420 billion token, I think the all-time high it can go, or maybe in an extreme bull run, it can go to 0.01 or 0.02. That makes the market cap close to $10 billion, which is equivalent to Pepe during good times, and that is still possible for Toshi. Now it is multi-chain. It is now also on BNB, which means apart from base chain, the token is now live on base chain. You can check the smart contract. This is for base. This is for Binance. And if you look at the smart contract, you can see the holders are rising. 5,000 holders you have on Binance chain, which is BNB, and around 922K on base chain, which is a very big number. Now, the best part about this token is it is not just limited to meme coin. It is expanded to NFTs, merch, art, and of course, a lot more. And look at here, the price of NFT is quite decent. It hit all-time high of 2 ETH. NFT was sold at this price during its listing on Binance US. Then the floor price right now is 0.036, which I think is quite low at the moment. If you want to buy an NFT, if you love NFT, maybe you can get your hands on it. Check out the market cap, just 779K, which is still good for this token. Owners are just 1358, and listed tokens or listed NFTs are only close to 267 out of 5,000, which is a good number. So again, the strength is still good for this token, and it looks highly undervalued. Now, talking about the charts, when you talk about the trading, just look at here this pattern. I always say that it is following a key pattern, a very bullish pattern, and this pattern actually goes something like this in the lockdown. So you can see here the token is pumping, then stagnating, then pumping. The support level is increasing with every pullback. That means in the long run, it will shoot up like crazy. Now, since if there is a market crash, there can be sign that it will go down and test this all-time low, which I believe can be at 0.0004, which is right over here. That can be true, but again, if that doesn't happen, and if the support sustain, it can shoot up to all-time high, maybe break the all-time high, and can shoot up to 0.01. That is very much possible since it has very good liquidity, listed everywhere, and it's live like on NFTs, on meme coins, merchandise, and every other DAO, including DAO. It also has a DAO. So clearly, Toshi is the one that you should take a look at. I have already started DCAing. So my DCA price was, which is dollar cost averaging price, is 0.0006. It hit today and I've started buying this token. Now, as it goes down, if it crashes below this level, I will keep on buying it till it hit 0.0004. In case if it bounce back and hit all-time high again, then again I'm still profitable because I'm buying at the lower of this month, which is 0.0006. Clearly, looking at the weekly charts, looking at the monthly charts, and even looking at the daily charts, it is long-term bullish. Of course, I strongly believe it will go down in value from here. It will go down to as low as 0.0004 or as low as 0.0002. That's the worst case scenario for this token, but that price is also very good given the fact it hit, or it already hit, 0.002 in the past, which is again a very good price if you enter right now, even at this price point. So clearly, this all-time high it will hit once again when we are back in the bull run, and when that happens, we are going very bullish on it. So again, one of my top investment in the meme coin segment will be Toshi this time, not Pepe. And of course, you can DYOR. Please do not take it as a financial advice. This is my view of this token. What are your thoughts? Comment below. And if you're liking my video, do remember to subscribe, press the bell icon, and let's meet tomorrow in the new video, new content. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.